Okay, let me give you a very controversial piece of advice. You know, when I used to hold these coaching sessions in Dubai, I used to always have these, I used to give people uh, one thought-provoking concept per session, per week. And some people would like it, some would not. This is one of the controversial ones. Now what you do is, as you're listening to this video, take a sheet of paper and pen, okay? Play along, just you can pause the video and take a sheet of paper and pen, okay? Now, or you can do it later, it's up to you, whatever. After you've taken a sheet of paper and pen, it's preferred to have a notebook. I always used to tell people, have like a personal diary kind of, which you carry, but keep it confidentially close to you. You know, don't allow people to read it or go through it. Okay. So after you have this diary, take one fresh piece of, take a page, and over there I want you to write down the names of 5 people who you hang around with, your best friends. Just write down their names, okay? 5 of them. After you've written down the 5 of your best friends, just write them down. No need to worry about the order, okay? Leave that, go to the next one. Then write down the names of 5 people in your office who you interact with on a day-to-day basis, frequently. Obviously your boss will be there, and then, you know, the colleague who sits next to you and all, okay? Next one is, in your family, who are the 5 people who you interact with the most, okay? Not avoid, interact with, okay? 5 people in your family. So you have 5 of your friends, 5 in the office, 5 in the family. Okay, now what you do is go to your YouTube channel, go to history, okay? At the top left hand corner there's a, I don't know, icon or something. Click that, you'll see history. Go to history, and for this you'll need an Excel sheet. Check what all are the videos you watch. For example, in my case, wrestling, I'll put a heading, wrestling. MMA, okay, MMA, wrestling is more or less the same thing. Then news, suppose Reuters, Al Jazeera, whatever, I'll put okay. I'll club them together in news. Then podcast, okay, Joe Rogan, whatever. So I club them together, and then what you do is, every time there is, let's say, a news, you click one there. Podcast, tick one. Suppose you're seeing 2 podcasts, put 2. 2 news channels, put 2. 4 wrestling, this thing, put whatever, football, comedy, whatever you, okay? So now you have your YouTube history, and even if you're watching songs or whatever, just, but it's not like something playing at the background, something that you pay attention to. After you've got this, I want you to go back to your list and look at it again. You know the 5 friends that you have put, whose names you put, next to that, just put the average income that they are making per month, each one, approximate if you don't know, or you can ask them and get it. And put down their designation, which level, high, medium, low, whatever. Take the average, the salary, write it down there, and take the average position, let's say high, medium, low, whatever, put medium, or, you know, you get what I'm saying. Where your family is involved, maybe you can't take a salary, but you can take definitely, let's say how successful they are in their lives, okay? A very successful, medium, nothing at all, okay? In your office, same thing, salary, position. On YouTube, obviously no salary, okay? So once after you got all this data, look at it again, and I'll tell you that reflects your reality, not only present, but you can project the future. Whatever is your friend's average salary, all your 5 friends, let's say it comes down to $10,000. The fact will remain, you'll never earn more than $10,000. over there. Straight off. You'll not make more than that. Okay, if in case, let's say, all your friends are multi-millionaires, that doesn't mean you'll become a multi-millionaire by default, but it will push your net worth high up. So whatever you're getting right now, if it is higher than what they are getting, it will either stick to that or it decline. But if what the average is there is more, it will grow a little bit more to the maximum of that amount. Okay. With regards to people in your office, the people you interact with, let's say they are at level 7 in terms of hierarchy, management, that is where you will be left at. Family, you could say out of 100 how successful they are. 60, 40, 20, 90, take the average. That is how successful you will be out of 100%. Now, you might be like, Loy, what guarantee is there that this analysis of yours is correct? It's a very simple thing, man. Let's say, for example, you're a boxer, you like boxing. Where will you go and hang around with? You'll go and hang around in a boxing club where all the people are boxers. That is number one. So that proof is birds of the feather flock together. Then let's imagine you're going there for boxing and you're boxing with people weaker than you, smaller than you. Do you think you'll be better or you'll be just stagnant? But another guy, when he boxes, he fights with, practices with people better than him, bigger than him. Who do you think will get better over time? Okay. And last one, if you go to an ordinary boxing gym versus if you go to a world-class gym, where do you see the maximum difference? The world-class gym, because the standards, the discipline, everything is high. So exactly the same analogy if you give to your life, that is what is going to happen. If the friends you hang around with are not people you look up to, or not people you aspire to be, are just same like you, what is the difference, man? It's like you want to diet and lose weight, but you're hanging around with guys who eat and drink and who are obese and fat and stupid. Do you expect any difference? You know, even a bodybuilder hangs around with guys who are bodybuilders. You know, even, for example, political parties, they hang around with people with similar ideologies. So, whatever group you're hanging around with is what you'll become. And where YouTube is concerned, what you tend to put into your brain, what you're listening to, is what will impact you. Now, I'm not talking movies and songs that you're doing for entertainment, what you're paying attention to. If you're listening to news and politics, you're just interested in other people's affairs. In my case, it's different because I have to update people with knowledge. Okay, I'm not saying don't listen to news, but listening to news is not going to help your brand unless, of course, your work is involved with predicting how the markets would go. But if you're just listening for gossip and argument and all, don't expect any miracles. Now comes the next part, which I think is the most important part. Okay, Loy, I'm with my family. What the hell should I do, man? What? I don't like any of my family members. Should I leave them? Or you'll say, I don't like any of my friends. Should I leave them? Hey, that question is there, right? And what about, let's say, my work? I'm working in an office. Getting a job is so tough. What do? Do I just throw my resignation and say, boss, I don't want to work here anymore because Loy Mesido, that tattooed guy, said. So I'll give the answer. Okay. But first, what I want you to do is do the exercise that I've done, that I've asked you to do. Do it. First, understand where you are. Before even thinking of the solution, understand where you are. And if what I'm saying is right, what I've said is right, or it has any bit of reality, put down your comments down below. Let me know the feedback, no? Otherwise, you can tell me I'm wrong. No, you're wrong. All my friends are poor. I'm a multimillionaire. Okay, fine. And yeah, the question also begins, what if you don't have any friends? You don't hang out with anyone. Then what do you do? Well, then who do you listen to? Who do you interact with? Who do you admire? Who do you follow? We tend to, but that doesn't mean if you look at let's say bodybuilders and who are physically fit, you keep looking at them but you're eating like a pig, your body is going to change now. But unconsciously it does have a impact on your psyche. Anyway, the important thing is, first you do this. Let me know in the comments below what I said is right or wrong. And if what I've said is right, you can ask for the solution to this. And I'll make another video where I'll give you the solution. What can you do to make sure that, you know, when you hang out with someone, your character is same like them? How can you change it? I'll put it in the next video, but depends if you guys want to hear. If you want to hear the solution, just comment down below. Yes, you're right, or you don't need to say I'm right. What is the solution? Give me a solution. I'll give you the solution, and I'll tell you honestly. The solution is controversial, it is tough, but it works 100%. And the proof for this is me. I've used this in my life, I've used it with my clients, and 100% it works. I can assure you this much. Alright? So comment down below, let me know. And do you want to know the solution? If yes, I'll put another video and give the solution. Alright? Support the channel, guys. This is me signing off. You guys take care.